Where's that, I'm gonna clean that ABS sensor off. Push the other in. Let's say your caps will click in here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Now she's fucking cheeching.
That'll fix it. Oh, it's so beautiful, bud. It's gonna be another one, huh? Nope, not today.
Not today, bitch.
Not today. You take it and you put it in on the side that's got two. This will hold your big spring. Boom. Things are like locked in there.
Get ready for a free fun. Going a little too far.
Uh-oh. Just a second, just here. There you go. Just sat right in there, huh? That's a good girl. That's the way that Don puts on his brake shoes.
The right way.
Next one, no, the right way. The next one that comes around, I'll show you the way I put it on. I put my big spring on last. Yeah, those things are jammed in there, huh?
Yeah. Fucking paint it all together, man.
You can tell that they've been reused before. It's like, oh, they look alright. We'll just send it the way it is.
We're too fucking stupid to get the other one on. Aw, I am too stupid to get that one on.
It's weird. I have a tool that is I guess, put it on the same way, and it's got the little latch on the back side of it. But I never had no good luck with it.
Boom.
Set. Now we throw the drum on, and then what?
So the tire's back on. And adjust it. And then let it rip.
Tater chip. See, look at that. Real time. We're running about 6 minutes and 40 seconds right now. Obviously, you already had the tires off, but that don't take but maybe a minute or two anyway. So, here we go. That pretty much ends it. Some 4710s on a Freightliner wrecker. Let me know what you think. Did a good job, Don.
Thanks, man.
It's one way to do it, as Don says, the right way. Thanks for watching.